what y'all doing down here? The house is up there. Come on, let's go see. Okay, y'all, so we are upstairs. The first thing I'm going to show you is the kids' bathroom. So let me turn you guys around so that you can see it. So when you walk into here, you see my kids' bathroom, the granite countertops. Hi, you see me. And all my fattened rolls. I love the granite countertops. They have more than enough space to put all kinds of crap up here, because if I know them correctly, they're gonna put all kinds of crap up here. They have a super huge mirror. I love the pendant lights. Well, not technically pendant lights, but I should say mini pendant lights. I love the mini pendant lights. I don't too much care for that warm light up there. It's kind of yellow. Can't really see it, but it's I wish it was more white, like LED. This is their huge tub. I have some things that that's coming from Amazon for them. I didn't even see this right here when I came and looked at the apartment. That's cool. You notice, like, every time you go somewhere new, you keep finding something different. So that's new. That's new. So I can keep like maybe shampoo or something like that up there for them. And I love the rainfall water shower. They have this little rack right here to put their towels on. I love how spacious it is. This is the flooring. I love the flooring. This is like so cute. They have a lot of space in here to put a whole bunch of crap, whatever they feel like putting in there. Oh, look, they put tissue in here already. Thank you. But they have a tub. I love how it's like behind the door. So even if they take they want to use the bathroom and leave the door open, which they do all the time, but it's just girls in this house anyway, then, you know, they still have their privacy or whatever. And then right in front of their toilet is their linen closet. I don't like how it's like right in front of the toilet, but you know, you get it. And then you have two more racks up here, and they could use these for, you know, either one of their towels, so they won't be right up on each other. So that's that. We have sprinkler system up there, and oh, we have two plugs right there. And then when you come out of the kids' bathroom, you walk right into their room, and this is their room. So they have a large amount of space. When you come in, they have their ceiling fans. They have a huge window. They have a tree right outside the window as well, so you can't see in. And they have this huge closet. Like, this closet goes from here. It has racks up there. It goes all the way back there, and it has crazy amounts of space back here. And of course, it does have a light. My kids aren't tall enough to get up there, so I'll figure out what I'm gonna put up there. Maybe games or something for like game night. But this is the girls' room. So next we have the washer and dryer area. So this unit comes with a washer and dryer, which I already had one from my old apartment. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but this one is more upgraded. So we have a washer and dryer in our unit already. It's super spacious, so I can actually put dirty clothes baskets and clean baskets in here. I can put my laundry stuff in here, trash bags. But I'm actually going to use this for my comforters and stuff, because I'm going to use my closet for different purposes. But yeah, like, ew, though they could have changed that out, because I don't too much care for that. That looks nasty. That's the only thing I don't like about sharing things, because yeah, they could get dirty. But of course, there's another light, and then behind us, you can close the door, and you know, you have your space back here. So right here we have the computer area. It has 3 shelves, and then it has this little desk area right here. It also has a little hole right here for you to put your cords through and stuff like that. And it has a light at the bottom. Oh, and a light at the top as well. I do have a few things that I'm gonna use for this area right here. So, yep. Let's move on to the next. Okay. So here is the grandmaster, the bedroom, my bedroom, of course. I love how I have this little seating area. I have exactly what I want to put in this seating area. So I just can't wait to get everything together. I have in mind what I want to put, I should say, for this seating area. It has an ample amount of outlets in my room so that I could, you know, do whatever or put whatever I want to. And here I have a lot of room. I love how this isn't like a box. It has like dimensions and curves and hooks and turns, whatever you want to say. And then when you come over here, we have my huge closet, which is also going to be my office closet. So this is how big my closet is. Super huge. I'm going to put my workstation right here. I'm going to do a whole nother video of me organizing my workstation, and this whole side right here, I want to make it office related. I have a bookshelf in my old apartment that I'm going to use as like an inventory shelf. And then I have this area right here, and I can use this for like my clothes side or whatever. I could, you know, I don't too much want it to look cluttered, you know, because when I film office video or like business videos and stuff like that, it won't look ratchet up in here. So this is my closet. I also have 2 lights in my closet, and I also have, you know, my ceiling fan. And these ceilings are high, like these are some high ceilings. So here's my super huge bathroom. Like, oh my god, this is huge. Like, I don't have a tub in here, I just have a shower, but the shower is huge. Rainfall shower head, like the luxury. And I also have tissue in here already. She left out for us. I also have a huge mirror here once again, and the mini pendant lights. Oh, I have pendant lights in my kitchen. And I also have a linen closet in my bedroom and bathroom. I have a lot of space on my countertop, and I am super excited. Like, this is amazing. This is amazing. I couldn't ask for anything better. Yes, I'm filming on my phone again because my camera decided it wanted to mess up on me. So we are filming through my phone. So hey. And let's go to the final part of the house. The best. You guys this is like what is this, utility closet? So, you know, it has a lock on it so nobody can get in, but the maintenance. So I wish I wish I did have a hallway closet, because then I could put my clothes and stuff in there, but we have a utility closet instead. So, you know, whatever. And then ta-da, the best part of all, my huge living room. This is my oversized living room, you guys. Like, huge. And I tell you, huge. Like, it's huge. It's huge. I have a ceiling fan that has lights. My old living room did not have lights in the ceiling fan, nor could we put lights in the ceiling fan. So my living room was super dark. I have another light here for both sides. And then here we have our dining room area. Like, this is just amazing. I also have a light for my dining room area. Oh, look at that. Look at this. But before I get to that, this is my amazing kitchen. Look how big this is. 4 times the size of my kitchen from my old apartment. Like, this is amazing. Look at my island. Look how big this is, you guys. Like, look at the space. Like, Thanksgiving. Look, it's like it goes all the way around, y'all. Like, Thanksgiving is about to be litty. Christmas, if only I had a man, y'all. Oh, like, this is so cute. What's up in here? Let's see. Can I open this one-handed? Oh, it's just more little letters and stuff like that for us to, you know, change it out and things like that. That is super sweet. Thank you. Okay, so in here we have our pantry. Super huge pantry. Then we have all of this cabinet space. Like, I don't even know what to feel in this cabinet space. I ain't never had this much cabinet space. I was in my apartment, last apartment, 6 years, you know, since I got my first apartment. That's my first apartment. I stayed there for 6 years. So I have all stainless steel appliances. I have a dishwasher. I have a window right outside right in front of my sink. So, you know, then I have this. And then this also has like a switch where you can, you know, spray. And it comes down. Look at that. Look at that. Like, oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Let me fix it. Okay. Fix it. Oh, duh. There we go. Let's turn it off. So I have garbage disposal. More cabinet space up here above my refrigerator, which is also stainless steel. This is what my refrigerator looks like. And oh, we got waters in here. So this is my refrigerator. Outside is my patio door. I'm not gonna too much go out there because, you know, I don't want to show, you know, my apartments and stuff like that, but that's the patio out there. I also have pendant lights above my countertop, and I also have, just say, bar lights in the kitchen. And then this little area off the kitchen, I want to put like a bar cart or something right here, because I just think that, you know, this place would be super neat and cool. Then of course my thermostat and other outlets and things of that nature. Like, I am so excited. I'm so happy. Like, I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. Like, you know, I already blessed my house. Like, I've already blessed my house, and the natural lighting in here is like super crazy. Like, my old apartment was so dark, you couldn't see me for nothing. But the natural lighting in here is so beautiful. Like, it's just amazing. But I've already blessed my house because I don't want no spirits, no negative spirits up in here. And we ain't talking about crystals and sage. We talking about Jesus the Christ. You hear me? We praying up in here. We praying. We some blessed people. We some holy people. You know, we ain't playing all that. But I'm super happy. I'm super grateful. I'm super thankful. I'm grateful for your support for all these years, for all my old subscribers. I'm so grateful for your support. I'm so grateful for everybody who's purchased from me. And this is killing me. Hold on. There we go. I'm grateful for everybody who's purchased from me. I'm grateful for all my future customers. Like, I'm so excited for this new journey. I'm so excited to be blessed to be able to even live in a luxury apartment, because this would have never crossed my mind if you would have told me this 6 years ago, that I'd be living in a luxury apartment. And I got it by myself without the help of family, friends, and nobody else. It was just me and God. And I'm super grateful. I'm super happy for that. And I just can't stop thanking y'all enough. Can't stop thanking God enough. This is just amazing. My kids are happy. I can't wait till they get out of school. They've already started their new school, so I can't wait for them to get out of school, and they're just gonna be so happy, and I'm just so ready. But I do have to get back to the other house. I have food and stuff in the car that I need to bring up. When you get through watching this, make sure you check out the moving vlog, because the moving vlog is, you know, being filmed while this is being filmed. So make sure you check out the moving vlog to see, you know, the process and things of that nature. And yeah, so if you like this video, I'm gonna take my time with decorating this big old apartment because I know what I want and I don't want to rush. So, but if you do have like home decor or whatever that you want to send me or whatever to decorate my apartment with, or just promote, please feel free to DM me. I will leave my social medias down below. You can also, of course, you know, write it in the comments and I'll get back with you. If you have a business, make sure you put your business website in the comments section. If you like this video, if you are so happy for me and my kids in this new journey, please give this video a thumbs up. Like it, share with your friends, you know, because it could be you next. You could be the next person to break generational curses. So like, just keep going, keep praying, keep keeping God first. You know, don't give up when times are seeming low. Just continue to keep going. Like, I don't want to cry because I can see my eyes are getting watery, but just keep on keeping on. I know it sounds cliche, but it's the truth. Just keep on keeping on, because if I could tell my story, but I'm not gonna make this long. Okay, so share with your friends, like, share, comment, subscribe, you know, so you can just keep on, you know, enjoying this journey with me, and, you know, keep supporting my business, of course, or businesses. The content is about to be fire, y'all. The content is about to be fire. So I can't wait. Like I said, check out the moving vlog. That'll be, you know, up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.